Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Dika Purnama and I come from Bengkayang. I work in Sungai Jagaa as an elementary school teacher. I am married and have one child, Nadia Dawider. I live in a simple house in the village of Jagaa River. I ride a motorbike to work from Monday to Friday. I like swimming and holidays. I am interested in money, but don't like discussing gambling. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih.